For 2 long weeks, the cameras were silent and the questions kept coming. Where is Chief MUTASA? Today, the wait is over. We return to the land of the rich tradition, untold stories, and voices that refuse to be forgotten. Behind these mountains and beneath these skies lies a community with stories that continue to captivate Zimbabwe. What has changed since our last visit? What are the people saying? And what truths await us in Chief MUTASA's traditional court? Join us as Kunashe TV takes you deep into the heart of Manika land, where every path has a story, every face has a testimony, and every moment reveals something extraordinary. Stay with us until the very end, because this is not just another visit to Chief MUTASA's traditional court. This is a journey back to the people who have been waiting to be heard, justice to be served. The silence ends today. Welcome to Chief MUTASA's traditional court. This is Kunashe TV, bringing you Zimbabwe's stories to the world. 2 weeks tanga tisiri pano, but don't worry, nhasi tadzoka. Tiripo kumanika land, kumanika bridge, padare raChief Senator MUTASA. Tinoziva makomenzi anga kuti vakomana muripi vane Kunashe hamuchadi kutipa matarere. Don't worry, minamato miteuro yenyu yanzwika. Nhasi tiripo change chikupai nyaya dzinenge zichiitika panapa padare raChief Senator MUTASA. Nhasi pari kupisa. Imagine 2 weeks kuti pasingaiti matare, kuti panenge pakaloda sei. Saka nhasi tinenge tiripo, mangwana tinenge tiripo zvakare tichikushayirai zvinenge zvichiitika, manyaya dzichitongwa in a traditional way. Saka stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Kushare kuti vamwe vasati vasvika paplatform pano vazive kuti pano ndipo panopisa, pano ndipo paunogara, pano ndipo paunosubscribe Kunashe TV. Thank you so much guys for your support.